So good morning sa tanan no. So today atong travel is Basay, and then dapat mugikan to no mga 3:30 pero late na tagamay. So napatag Batinggil no, Dumaguete City no, diri sa may gawa sa amuon. And then dapat gikan ta 3:30 but then late tagamay no. So unay nasabutan na to. So scheduled na to for two barangays no in Basay no with Sir Neil today. And then kita-kita ta dito no whole day, and then mubalik ra pud ta as early as possible. Okay, so we declared for safety travel and then safety arrival no for Basay no for two barangays scheduled today. And then topics na to no will be discussed, I think morning and afternoon. And then kita-kita ta dito no, I think na ay mga new audiences na to, either morning or afternoon baguro. And then so excited kayo no nga i-met na to sila no, buntag murag siguro buntag. And then I think ang usang session is na-met na nato no before. So kita-kita ta dito no. Thank you, God bless everyone.